Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about whether Path of Exile 2 is free and when it will become free to play. So the answer to the question if it's free, at the moment, Path of Exile 2 is in early access. And while it is in early access, it's going to cost you approximately $40 to get the Path of Exile 2 early access supporter pack. And it's going to stay that way as long as it's in early access. And at the moment, the approximate time for it to be in early access is going to be about 6 months. So it just came out here recently, about December 2024, which means that it's going to be about June, July of 25 that it's going to be free to play. But once it releases from early access, it is going to be free to play. And so if you're looking to get into the game at that point, then you might want to wait until then. But the early access version does come with some additional DLC, so that's something that you might want to take into consideration. But it will be free to play once it's out of early access, and that will be about 6 months. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.